welcome to my channel, Mayura. I'm Kevin. Today I'm going to be teaching you 7 poses that you can do before bed to prepare your mind and body for a good night's sleep. Let's begin by finding a cozy spot on our bed and lie down with your head supported by your pillow. The first pose is knees to chest. Bring your knees to your chest and wrap your arms around your shins, giving yourself a little hug. And you can gently rock side to side if it feels good. And just stay here for 5 breaths, breathing softly and slowly through your nose. Now release your arms, place your feet on the bed and bring your right ankle to your left thigh. You can stay here or weave your right hand between your legs and hold either your left thigh or your left shin. This is a great stretch for your hips. And you can release tension by gently pulling your shin towards you. Now slowly release and change sides. Bring your left ankle to your right thigh, weave your left hand through and hold your thigh or your shin. Now slowly release. Place your left foot down. Bring both your knees to your armpits. You can either hold your thighs or the outer edges of your feet, and then gently rock side to side if it feels good. Make sure to keep your lower back grounded to the bed. Release your feet to the bed. Place your feet under your knees and your arms alongside your body. Gently lift your hips to the ceiling. Tuck your chin to your chest. And engage your glutes slightly for a gentle back bend. Now slowly lower down and bring the soles of your feet together, allowing your knees to fall open. You can either rest your hands next to your hips, palms facing up, or gently place your hands over your belly. Let any tension melt away. Now bring your knees to your chest. Bend your elbows 90 degrees like cactus arms. Twist your legs to your right, and you can turn your head to your left. Now bring your knees back to center, twist to your left, turn your head to your right. Remember to stay aware of your breath. And finally, bring your knees back to center. Stretch your legs out to the bottom corners of your bed and your arms to the top corners of your bed. Rest here for a few moments, breathing softly and slowly through your nose. When you're ready, slowly wiggle your toes and fingers. Bring your knees to your chest and roll over onto your side. Thank yourself for taking the time to gently wind down for a good night's sleep. I hope you have sweet dreams, and kindly subscribe if you'd like more yoga and meditation practices. Good night.